Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. With this video, we are going to start a brand new series on shapes in Korean language. We are diving into everything from dots and lines to 2D and 3D shapes and even angles. So, here is the introduction to our amazing video series in which we are going to learn about shapes in this beautiful language, Korean. So, without wasting any time, let's go. So, the first question that comes in our mind is why learn shapes in Korean? So, as we know that shapes are everywhere around us, whether you are describing objects or understanding science or talking about geometry in class, knowing shape related words can be really useful. And so it becomes very important for us to learn shapes in any language because if you want to describe the shape or figure of objects in that language, then you should know the shapes in that language. If you want to know the basic geometry in any language, then again you have to know the different shape related words to learn geometry in that language, right? Also, learning shapes can help you expand your vocabulary and improve your ability to describe things in Korean language. Obviously, when you learn different things in a particular language, it enhances your vocabulary simultaneously, right? So we learn what these different shapes called in Korean, and side by side, this will help us enhance our vocabulary in Korean language. Okay? And again, the most important usage of learning shapes in Korean is that you will be able to describe things, the structure, the figure, or the shape of different things in Korean. And so it becomes very important for us to learn shapes. Okay? Now, the next question that comes in your mind is what to expect in this series? What this video series is going to offer you? What you will learn in this series? Then the series will cover dots and lines, that is, what are the basic elements like dot and straight line or diagonal line or dotted line or dashed line called in Korean. What are the Korean terms for them? You'll learn the different 2D shapes like triangles, circles, squares, and many more. Different 3D shapes such as cubes, spheres, cylinders, cones, and others in Korean language. And you will also learn what are the different angles, like acute angle, right angle, or obtuse angle, called in Korean, and also other important geometric terms. So, this is the basic, I should say, preview of our video series that we are going to cover these topics or these areas in this video series while learning different shapes and structures. Okay, so I hope that we'll cover almost everything related to shapes in Korean language with the help of this series. Now, let's move ahead to the next question. How this series will help you. Okay, we have just learned that why we should learn shapes in Korean. Then we learned that what we are going to learn in this series. Now the question arises that all of this that you learn, how is this going to help you? So through this series, not only will you learn new vocabulary, but you will also practice making sentences and improve your ability to describe things in Korean. So, in this series of videos, we are also going to focus on making sentences using these shapes. So, it gives you a practical approach towards learning this language, how to apply these new vocabulary terms or these new phrases that we are going to learn in this series in real life, in practical situations. We are going to learn that with the help of example sentences. Okay? So, whether you're a student or a language enthusiast or just curious about Korean language, this series will have something for everyone. So, this video series is going to be helpful for everyone who is interested in Korean language. Okay? Now, before I end this video, a very important question is, what is shape in Korean language? What is the Korean word for shape? And here is the answer. The word for shape in Korean is 모양. 모양. It is very easy. A two-syllable word, 모양. 모양. So shape in Korean is 모양. All right? Okay, so in this video, I introduced you all to our upcoming video series on shapes in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.